Welcome to this tutorial on how to see your profit and loss on TradingView. Understanding your profit and loss is crucial for managing your trades effectively. In this video, we will walk you through the steps needed to access this important information on the TradingView platform. First, you need to ensure you are logged into your TradingView account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the chart where you have your trades displayed. On the right-hand side of the chart, you will find the trading panel. If you do not see it, you can easily enable it by clicking on the Trading Panel button at the bottom of the screen. Next, locate the Accounts tab within the trading panel. Here, you will see a list of your connected brokerage accounts along with a summary of your current positions. Click on the account you want to analyze. You should see a detailed breakdown of your open positions, including the profit and loss metrics for each trade. Finally, to get a comprehensive view of your overall profit and loss, look at the bottom of the Accounts tab. You will find a total profit and loss figure that summarizes your entire trading performance. Make sure to frequently check this area to stay updated on your trading success. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and happy trading!